Scales can often be thought of as a little bit boring and people don't always know why or how to learn them. We can take a G major 2-octave scale and play what I just have done without really changing the order of the notes. We'll take our G major scale, spend a bit of time getting that under your fingers. How can you take that straight, unembellished pattern and make it into something that's a bit more engaging and interesting to play? We start on the G, anchor it with a repeated note. Vary the pressure. We move to the A string, play a triplet hammer on. Open, second, third. Open D. We're then going to play 2nd fret D. Slide from 2 to 4. Open G. And while we're keeping the 3rd finger where it is, hammer on the index finger to the 2nd fret of the G. So we get these harmonies resonating. Let the guitar do the work. We move to the B, hammer on the 1st fret, play the open E string, slide up to the 3rd fret, 2nd fret E string, harmonies, let those notes ring out. Textures, slide up, and then holding those 2 fingers there, those notes are still ringing out. Hammer on the 3rd finger. And then finish on the G. So slow play through in its entirety. It's about expression, dynamics, touch that will take something from being a pattern or a drill into something musical. We've got 4 techniques: hammer on, harmony, slide, and repeated note. Have a go yourself, take a scale pattern you know, apply this quartet of techniques and see what you can come up with. If you want more of this kind of content, let me know. And if you're interested in tips that don't appear in these videos, sign up to my mailing list. Never will scales be boring again.